His Excellency is going to just attend his signature. Another project manager, David Wanangwe, and Mr. Manif from Seyani Contractors and Construction. He's also being welcomed by one of the contractors, Honorable Pandong. Your Excellency would like to welcome you to Solana Lifestyle and Residences. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a huge round of applause to welcome you.
This project is going to be completed in the next 10 years. What you're seeing today is only the first 2 phases. This project will start the work 4th year. All $500 billion. Right now, so far, the investment taken in the villas, bungalows, and the apartments. It's going to be a whole decade. Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency has finished walking through the show house. We're going to proceed now. Band, are you on standby? We're going to have the national anthem.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.